First, break the individual parts from the inner part of the Easy-On Eco mounting frame. Then place the label side facing down and insert the Easy-On bits into the slots. Place the phone on the mounting frame inner part. First, clean the display wet and dry it afterwards. Remove any dust from the display. After that, place the mounting frame onto the phone with top mark pointing up. Now peel off the backing film from the screen protector and insert the glass into the top of the mounting frame. Press the glass around the edges and carefully remove the mounting frame. Vigorously rub the integrated sensor pad at the bottom of the screen protector until it appears completely black. That's it. Now the screen protector is fully installed. Well done, good job! To update the software, swipe upwards to get to Settings. Tap Software Update, tap Download and Install, and if a software update is available, then simply select and install. To increase the touchscreen sensitivity, swipe upwards to get to Settings. Tap Display, swipe down and tap the slider next to touch sensitivity. To register your fingerprint, swipe upwards to get to Settings. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Tap Biometrics, tap Fingerprints, tap Continue. Perform the scan of your fingerprint, and when your fingerprint is registered successfully, tap Done.